If your Galaxy turns on but gets stuck at the Samsung logo, the phone isn't completely dead. Android may be having trouble completing startup. So I'm going to show you a couple things to do. First, now I'm going to tell you guys, now this may not be a surprise, but my phone is actually working. So I just found an image of how it looks like on your phone. But in case it is stuck on the logo, what we're going to want to do is first do a force restart. And we do that by holding this button with the power down button. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're holding it down 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep holding. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Is it going to turn on? 6, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 66. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Oh, there we go. Turned it on. Okay, so hopefully once your force restart works, then your phone will now be unstuck and usable. But if you're still watching, it's because it didn't work. And so what we're going to now try to do is try recovery mode. Okay, so what is recovery mode? Recovery mode loads separately from the normal Android interface. If you can reach the screen, the phone is at least powering on, which helps separate a boot problem from a completely dead device. So, unlike force restart, we're going to actually hold the volume up instead of down, and this button, the power button, at the same time. So let's go ahead and press it down now. 1, 2, 3. We're holding, and we're just going to keep holding, and hopefully the screen comes on. Okay, so just keep holding past the Samsung logo part, and this is what we want to get to, this menu right here. So once we get here, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and hit reboot now. We're going to use the volume up and down to control on the menu. Now, I'm going to just show you guys how to reboot off, but there's actually a part about wiping out this sorry, can you guys see? Okay, wipe cache partition. Okay, right here, wipe cache partition. Sorry, I was looking through the lens. And if it doesn't work, if the rebooting now still doesn't work, get back on the screen and then wipe the cache. You might like download something, so we want to get rid of that. Now, if these two things don't work, there is the factory reset right above, but it will wipe out the phone and you'll lose everything on it. So if it's possible, then you might want to back it up by connecting to your computer. Hopefully you can read. If not, then I recommend taking it to a store in case you have a lot of valuables on your phone. But other than that, these are the options. So hopefully once you go to the top one, reboot system now, it will work. And you just, whenever you want to select something, you go ahead and press this button. And now we just wait for the logo to pop back on, and hopefully your phone is working. I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider giving it a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.